everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to reset NFHS network password if forgotten. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in NFHS network.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of NFHS network. You'll be able to find several options over here. So what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface. If you remember your password, you can directly log into your account. But if you've forgotten your password and if you want to reset it, what you have to do is click on this option, forgot password. Now you'll have to enter the email address. Simply click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address associated with your account over here. Now click on the option send link. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here a password reset link will be sent to your email. So go to Gmail, simply open new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. NFHS network has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the link for resetting your password. You'll be able to see click here to reset your password written over here. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is enter the new password over here. The password requirement are the password should have at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number and 1 special character. So create the password accordingly. Now after you create the new password, click on the option reset password that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the password has been reset successfully. Now you can go back to the login. Now you can log into your account using the new password. Enter the email address, enter the new password associated with your account. Now click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account using the new password. So that is how you reset NFHS network password if forgotten. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.